All right, guys, we got us a 2022 Ford F-250 XLT 7.3 liter beast. Massive truck, as you guys can see. Barely fits in the shop, but I like it. Anyways, what we got done on it for you guys. Still got factory converters there and there. Then it duals into I guess a resonator or a miniature muffler. I don't know. There was so many different things on it. But he wanted sound. He saw our other video on a white truck we did. He wanted it, but he wanted a little bit more throaty. So I told him, I got you. Don't worry. So we put a double DYNOMAX race bullet setup. 24 250s. There'll be a link in the description for them. You put them double, it tones it down a little bit more, gives it more throatiness. Then a 3-inch pipe all the way back into a massive 4.5-inch pipe and another resonator that comes on these. And he left the factory tip. He didn't want to change the tip, so there's a factory tip on it. He might change it later on. But there, it comes with another resonator and a massive muffler, as you guys can see right there, that we took off. And that's what it looks like after. A lot cleaner, a lot nicer. It's a Super Duty 7.3 liter. And like always, guys, please make sure you subscribe, like, comment, and hit that notification bell for more beautiful content. Look at that work. It's beautiful. 2020 Ford F-250 7.3 liter beast. Huge truck with a huge engine. Anyways, what we got done on it for you guys, and it's a gasser. There's the converters there and there. Then we left this massive resonator or muffler or whatever you want to call it. And then we cut everything else off because this thing comes with one muffler here, another muffler, and then 2 resonators out the back. So he wanted sound, was watching our YouTube channel, said, I want sound. I said, we'll give you sound. So that's what we did. It's 3-inch pipe where the mufflers used to be, the other 2, and put a FLOWMASTER Outlaw, part number 15430S. As you guys can see, 3-inch in, 3-inch out. Then we continued the 3-inch pipe into another resonator that comes on this thing. We didn't cut it off. And then, you know, you got to complete it because it's such a massive truck. You got to put a 6-inch tip on it. Anything smaller would look funny on it. And I think you guys agree. So it's got a 6-inch by 18 black tip right there. This is the other resonator we cut off and other muffler we cut off. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, if you like the sound, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. And if you want to buy it, there'll be a links in the description. Enjoy. What do you think? Give it a guess? Perfect? All right. He likes it. Here it is. Here's sound decibels on it. 104. That's perfect. You didn't want it too loud. You didn't want it too quiet. That's why we went with the double DYNOMAX bullets. So if you guys want it not too loud, you take those 2 off and put double DYNOMAX bullets. It is a long truck. Look how much I have to go. 2022. Nice. Oh, I like it. Again? That's beautiful. Let you guys hear on this. Oh, that's perfect. I can feel the air all the way here. 7.3 beast. Wow, you feel it all the way here. You know, I've never, like, all the videos I've done, you never feel the air all the way to here. That is, look, that is crazy. I can feel it. Wow. Sound decibels? That's, I think, perfect. Exactly what you were looking for. I'm glad he recommended it.
He nailed it.
High? Yeah. Some high temp will look really nice. This sounds so good. Beautiful. What do you guys think? I like it. FLOWMASTER Outlaw. Let you guys hear it on the inside. F-250 2020. That thing's a beast. I love big trucks. I love everything. As long as it's got 4 wheels, I love it. I think you guys agree too.